Hello, I'm going to go through how to do Module B, Week 1, page 29 on equation manipulation. So, for the question here, we have solve, and then 7x plus 9 equals 2x minus 24. So what we want to do is get the x's by themselves. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to try and get the normal number by itself, and then we'll try and get the x by itself. So the first thing I do is go 7x equals 2x, and then I'm going to think of how am I going to get these together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to minus 9 from both sides. So this will cross out and there'll be nothing on this side. And then this one will be 2x minus 24 minus 9. So, okay, minus 24 minus 9 equals minus 33. Okay, minus 33. So, now I have 7x equals 2x minus 33. Now I think, how do I get the x's on the same side? So, what I'm going to do is try and move this 2x to this side. So I'm going to write 7. So, like here I'll have 7x, and then equals, then I'm going to go minus 2x, because that'll cross that. Then here I need to also say minus 2x. 2x equals minus 33. So now if I have 7x minus 2x, that's just 5x equals minus 33. So now I see what's interfering with x. That's not just x, that's something x, 5x. So to get 5 times x by itself, what I need to do is divide by 5. And whatever I do to one side, I also do the other side. So over here, I divide it by 5. So now 5 times 5 divided by 5 is just x. And over here, minus 33 divided by 5, that can't really be simplified, so I'll just leave it as minus 33 divided by 5. And that would be the answer for that one. Now, for this second one, we have solve 6 divided by x plus 1 plus 5 equals 8. So, the first thing I'm going to see is x is on this left side, and there's a lot of things interfering in it. So with what's the easiest one to get rid of? And the easiest one for me to, I think, start with is the plus 5. It's kind of not attached. So, first thing I'm going to do is minus 5 from this side, minus 5 from this side. Then I'm going to go down. I'm just going to write all of this again. Plus 1. Okay, and then I'm going to have 5 minus 5 is nothing, so I can cross them out. Then equals 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, so now I'm going to see what's interfering with all of this and interfering with all of this. Now, the thing that I can do is I can I see that this is on the bottom, and I kind of want it on the top, because when it's on the bottom it's not really going to be easy. So what I want to do is I'm going to times both sides by, so I'm going to times this side by x plus 1, and I'm going to times this side by x plus 1. Because what that'll do is it'll move this one on the bottom over here to the top. So if you have something that's like 1 over x plus 1, like this is just to show what we're doing, times x plus 1, what we're doing is we're crossing out that, because one's divided and one's times. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to times this by x plus 1. And what that's going to do is cross this out. But over here, we're going to times it by this. So we're going to have 6 over 1, or 6, equals 3 times x plus 1. So let's rewrite that a bit neater, or I'll even move this over to this side. So x plus 1. It doesn't make a difference which side it's on, because it's as long as everything's on the same. So all I did was swap where they were. I just wrote it neater. So now I see what's interfering with x. The thing that's interfering with it, like the furthest away, is this 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3, because this is times 3. So I divide this by this, cross this out. Then I have 6 divided by 3 is 2. So over here I got x plus 1 equals 2. Now what's interfering with the x? I think it's interfering with the x is this 1. So I'm going to minus 1 from this side and minus 1 from this side, which then equals x equals 1.